Hey guys, GNC chasing. Hey guys, GNC chasing bite. Today I'm with Cole. I'm with Cole on a pond, and we're fishing for largemouth and maybe a grass carp. Maybe. Never even fished for grass carp. Well, we did, but it didn't work out.
Something smaller than that.
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, all right.
That coyote.
That one's not as small as the one I just saw. Don't break your ultra. Oh, you got an ugly stick.
Yeah.
Hey Jacob.
First
Hey
fish of the
Jacob.
day.
First fish.
Like a, I don't know.
Not even a pound.
Yeah. Little bass. There's a few more bass and bluegill on this area. Not bad.
Using 6 Sense Petco. What does fluke bite feel like to you? Sometimes I feel nibble and sometimes I just feel weight.
I feel weight every time. Or, you know, smallmouth. That one time it was a nibble when it was over there and I missed it. See how the good old gotcha works.
This is silly. Ooh, there's some weight. Hey, this might be the smallest of the day. Oh, no, he's just not woken up. He is not. Are we doubled up? On a gotcha plug?
No, it's Scott's beard, I think. I think it's Scott's beard.
He came off. It was a little.
Yeah, it was Scott's beard.
Just so you guys know, for future references, Scott's beard is weeds. You're silly, you're dilly-dally.
So heavy after work, it's so fast.
Yeah, that'd be fair.
Yeah, look at that, look at that.
Yeah, look at that action.
I'll be catching so many mackerel. Better than Peter.
Peter. He's gonna watch this video. Bruh, gotta be shitting me.
What?
Yeah, fair. See how far this cast, freshly spooled. Hopefully it does cast
I'm gonna
without
throw
doing
a
shit.
combo spin rate with fluke on.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Spinnerbait with fluke, fast jig or chatterbait?
Look behind you.
Spinnerbait with fluke, fast jig or chatterbait?
Chatter.
Chatter.
Haven't used.
It's a little bit black and
That's alright. Yeah, just watch. Here he goes. How's it going?
Who are y'all boys?
I'm Jason's son, that's my friend.
Okay, you know I told y'all to stay off that dock with that cord right there.
Oh,
It's got
we're not.
240 volts out there on that dock.
I didn't know we weren't allowed to be on it.
Well, I told you the last time you was here.
I'm sorry, I didn't know. I'll stay off of it.
Is that Jason over there?
Yeah. Yeah, apparently wood is conductive, you know.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with it.
I'm sorry.
I'm just scared for y'all to be over here with that electric stuff. You just and then come back over on this side with that thing hooked up.
Yeah, I get it.
With water, because I mean, those things are supposed to be like bulletproof against water.
Don't ask why, but I'm throwing like a 5-6 inch fluke with a super tiny hook, but it was working. So, yeah.
I will say though, I can see everything with these glasses. Yeah, I'm seeing fish and I'm
I almost just killed you. Yeah, you know, just get hammered.
hammered, broke out weight of a bluegill.
It probably was a bluegill, because thump thump thump.
It was a bluegill. Yeah, it's not biting me.
Or a crap pee.
Crappy pee, we learned do not go thump thump thump.
Look
You
at
know
my
what we
rod.
do?
Look at my rod. Oh,
at my-
hey, you might want to move. It's a little fuck.
Haven't seen him yet.
You're a fighting little guy, aren't you? Hey, nice.
Yeah, I know why you can't pull him up now.
Yeah, he's in a snag.
A little bit of weed.
Ugh. Whoa, bigger than I thought.
He's a big guy.
Man, he's still a little but decent little guy. See him?
Ocean man.
Yeah, it's a W hook set too. Took me like
Finally.
2 minutes to get the hook out, so yeah, a decent little one. Like a 1.5 pounder maybe. And we're doubled up again.
Shaky had better than I thought.
Is it in a snag?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, you know what I love?
What do you love?
Throwing a finesse bait and it's not legal.
Yeah, I got snapped off by like a
What's happening
probably
now?
4+ pounder, but
Oh.
it is what it is.
Yeah, it begins.
And I caught a lot of fish, or not a lot, I caught 2 fish on a whopper plopper, but I don't have both of them on video, so. See, this right here is my worst enemy.
I have to get used to this probably and I have to wait.
That's a nice hook set I had on him. You wanna see this? Come here and see this. Come here and see this. Want to see a hook set?
Poor little fish. Move.
No, he'll be okay. Yeah. Okay,
See, let me
guys, it's
just
the end of
hold
the
a bat
video.
like this.
Stay tuned for more videos, and like and sub, and
hell,
we'll have more
piece
content
it.
coming for you guys. Thank you for watching.